Good morning, everyone. My name is Arshil Bakusar Kamara. Today I am presenting the presentation of business communication and office management, and my topic is marketing funda, the perfect communication formula. Today our content which we are seeing in this presentation is marketing funda concept and how we can relate with the communication, types of marketing, and after that each marketing concept we must have to connect on the communication skills. After that, phenomena for the business communication, how we communicate with it, some phenomena points at the communication which we have to study some strategies, some key points and some criteria which converted into the perfect understanding and perfect communication formula. In the quick class session we see the overview and summary. Next, the marketing funda based on 5 main points: advertising, after that personal selling, then public relations, leadership and social media. In this advertising, we can see the most of the phenomena in our paper, social media, etc. After that, the niche marketing. Niche marketing is the mostly phenomena. In this, the communication occurs not in the major form, only in the specific people or specific citizens of age group or their social qualities. In this user-generated content, there is no chance of people's responsibility to come and accept any criteria, but at that time user generated content means the people who are selling the products and they have right to decide their content. After that, selective people, they don't invite all people, they only invite the persons who relate to that seminar or relate to that some product. If we selling the car, then we do not invite the people which are want the market of computer. Then if we want to sell the computer business, then we don't invite the people who want to get a car and want to start the car business. It's only the high specified speaking. At that we can say the specification of speak, that is we only speak to the point. We do not elaborate in many points and we do not change our topic and only stick to the point. After that, attracting by their own business. In this point we have to learn what is the need of the people, and after that we have to react with that conversation. In the second, media marketing, which we are seeing in nowadays, that perfect wording. In the media marketing we don't write essay, we only want to write the keywords, some of the key points and magical words which we have to encode in message, and after that posting high recommendation, that is references from other high qualities. If we are selling some low budget car and at that time we give the reference to the higher businessman, then it's high chances to sell our product, and after that the communication will be power up and boost up. And figurative matter, we don't have the simple matter, it's have the spark of the words, magic of the words, and after that it may be when we add the keywords, then it looks like a magical essay or the attractiveness of figure. Next, communication and marketing. Third and fourth point is frigate marketing and freebie marketing. In this frigate marketing, spreading hype and excitement points will come. Hype is there is in the English pictures or Hollywood pictures we see the somebody is coming, the superhero is coming, or any bike sounds will appear. At that time the hype will comes, and that hype creates very large communication in the people, and after that the automatically marketing will happen. And excitement, the people get excited and come early to the picture. If we when we see the trailer and some trailer hypes will present in the video, and after that we must want to clear that hype and communication, and we must go if the show is in 9:30 p.m. and we have the mind set that is hype in our mind, then we come at most 9 at the p.m. and we clear over the mistakes. After that, freebie marketing, red hook and future trust. Freebie marketing is to get the 100 rupees product we want to sell, and after that we give the 10 rupees free product. After that it becomes the future trust, that is people trust on some point of the businessman. After that, if some people their charges 100 rupees, after that 18 rupees, if they grade their price or hike their price from 20 rupees, but people have the future trust because the people accept the 20 rupees free product in the 500 product or 800 product. Next, inbound and outbound marketing. Inbound marketing, the people attract from the personal services which we provided from the service center or call centers of the businessman's head office. And outbound is to give the letters, to give the calls, to invite them in seminars and go reach at that some people without instead referencing of other people. Phenomena for business communication, we must have to lead up the some phenomena, that is age group, education, male, female, mindset, culture, buyer, bargainer. The mob which we front of us is what kind of lifestyle, their lifestyle, what is their relation, what is their living place. If person from age group of younger, that is 15 to 25, then we change our language. We don't have the very citizen type language. We must have to free up mindset and communicate with the students or their age group. Next, it's a marketing funda that is overlooked. It's important for overall marketing. After that marketing, some points we have to get in the mind, and after clearing that, we improve our sales. Recapturing the market by communication. Some points occur in our life, and after that our market falls down by overall more than 50%, more than 17%. And if we get some phenomena in this presentation, after that we must have the opportunity to 20% or 25% gain in our market. Fundamental growth of strategies. Some strategies build up, strategies some builds in other business or in advance. Then if we use some keywords or some strategies in the business, after that fundamental growth of strategies may be work. Thank you.